To add the Easify Dialer extension to your Chrome browser, follow these simple steps. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Easify Dialer. Click on Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. And just like that, your Easify Dialer is ready to go. Access the Easify Dialer from extensions in your Chrome browser. Enable the Detect US Phone Numbers option to identify US-based phone numbers on the page. Click Open Dialer to proceed. Enter your dialer token to activate the dialer. You can find this in the API settings of your Easify app. To make a call, manually enter a number or click the Easify icon next to a detected number. You can call, message, or email the number directly. You can also add numbers to your contacts and push them to your CRM. For location-based dialing, turn on the geo-matching feature in Settings. Thank you for watching.